Good morning from the GTC, where we were on the monorail, and now we're not on the monorail because they had to unload us. So they're going to move monorail red out of the way and move monorail coral in, and then hopefully we'll be on our way to Magic Kingdom. It is 8:30. Coral is a kind of pink, and we'll see what happens from here. Good morning. Okay, we finally made it to Magic Kingdom, where we are not in any kind of rush because, yeah, beware the toy soldiers, Christian says. We are not really in any kind of rush because we are not staying at a Disney resort, so therefore we are not doing early entry today, which is kind of weird because, you know, we're normally mad dash into the park, get there to hurry up and wait, stand on a bridge. We're not doing that this morning. Early entry started 11 minutes ago, so we have 19 minutes until the park officially opens for us to get on anything. Our plan is to go to Frontierland, which doesn't open until regular park opening anyway.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado en un Gracias. If I say they're ready to leave it home, I say he's headed for trouble.
A little bright.
Mark my words.
Don't get as wet as we used to. We used to have things spraying here.
There's the mountain.
There's the big hill.
Why you are going?
Because it's your first time riding it.
Here we go.
This is just a little hill. Okay? This is a little hill. Do you like it, Bells? Yeah?
I love it.
You love it?
Yes.
Yeah, me too. Hopefully it's just as much fun after it changes. children. How is your coconut cup? As good as the last one? I have the Pierre Mon Ami float. It's blueberry and vanilla with pineapple juice and a white chocolate feather. It is melting. We got out of line and then had to go to the bathroom. So in the last 5 minutes it has become this. But it is quite tasty. I have had some more of this float and it is all liquid now. I highly recommend if you get this. One, if you like blueberry, get it. But also to mix it together because it is a much better flavor than the pineapple juice on its own, the ice cream on its own. Mixed together, kids said it looks like blue milk. It does a little bit. It might even taste a little bit like blue milk once it's all mixed together. How many people do you think walk through this treehouse have never seen the movie that it's based off? Probably most of these little kids, including mine. My kids, for some reason, have always loved to walk to this treehouse, wanting to do it backwards, but it's also a really good place to look at the castle. Oh my gosh. Wobbly. Part of the ride where everybody's up to stop. Back through Liberty Square and Tiana's up in the window. How many times did we go on Splash Mountain?
3.
How many times did we go on Big Thunder Mountain?
2.
Did we go on a bunch of other rides?
1.
Well, no, we went on more than one other ride, but we had a good day, right? Bella, did you have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite ride?
Splash Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain.
So you like all the new rides you've been able to go on this trip, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, well, we're headed up to the monorail so we can get back to our hotel so we can eat dinner before they close it out for the night. We have one more day, well, half a day at Animal Kingdom tomorrow before we head home, and we'll be sure to take you all with us as well.